thank you all for coming. I'm very pleased to introduce the ideas of transformative innovation policy as they have been developed up to now, and in a very introductory way. In the next period, I'm going to introduce a series of concepts, try to show how those concepts fit together into a new way of thinking about innovation policy, and how projects and programs can be defined in terms of this new perspective. Okay? In order to do that, we have to build some sort of foundations, and some of those foundations are departures from common understanding or prior understanding drawn from innovation policy, or just ordinary how do we think about the world. Because some of the ideas in transformative innovation policy, in fact, differ from conventional ways of looking at the world. We start with the world as it is. And so the first section of the 5 that I'll be talking about is the world we are in. And then I will proceed to talk about the other 4 topics after that.